You are going to love these 5 simple healthy breakfast recipes to boost your morning energy and start your day off right. Firstly is a delicious and light ricotta fruit bowl, one of my personal favorites at the moment. The ingredients that you will need are simple. Ricotta as the base, fruit for your topping, and a sweetener like maple syrup, honey, or what I like to do is break some dark chocolate on top. In my opinion, the best fruit to put in it is either blueberries or strawberries. So, in a bowl, put as much ricotta as you want for the base. I am using a 1/4 cup. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of frozen strawberries on top, which will thaw out in no time. Lastly, put your sweetener on top. I am breaking 1 square of 85% dark chocolate. Then, mix everything together. And voila! Super simple with lots of flavor. Pro tip, once the strawberries thaw out, I like to crush them into the ricotta to give it that strawberry ice cream feel. On to the next recipe, we have a quick and easy mango smoothie. The ingredients you will need are 1 cup of milk, I'm using oat milk, 1 cup of frozen or fresh mango, a tablespoon of honey, and 1 banana. Mine is frozen, so it will make the smoothie extra creamy and cold and overall delicious. In your blender, start by adding the banana as the base, the 1 cup of mango, tablespoon of honey, and your 1 cup of milk. Then blend that all together. Okay, now we're gonna do the flip test. Successful. Add the smoothie into a glass. And there you have it, a delicious mango slushy smoothie. I say slushy because it turns out thick and you can choose to eat it with a spoon or with a straw. I like it with a spoon. The third recipe is a hearty protein oatmeal. For this recipe, the ingredients needed are oats of your preference, protein powder, and fruit or sweeteners for the toppings. I highly recommend fruit because it adds so much extra flavor. First, cook the oats according to the directions on the package. When finished, add them to a bowl and add around half a scoop of protein powder into the oats. Right now, I'm really into chocolate protein powder and use it in literally everything. Next, add fruit into that. I'm only using 1/3 cup of my blueberries because honestly, I did not make that much oats this time. Next, you can add any other sweeteners or toppings that you enjoy. Here goes the honey. Give that a nice mix. And for some extra energy, I am adding in this chia, buckwheat, and hemp seed topper. And there you have it. The fourth recipe is honestly so good, and it is scrambled egg with spinach and ricotta. I'm going to put it out there now that I am obsessed with anything spinach and ricotta, so let's get right to it. The ingredients to make this dish are 2 eggs, olive oil, a 1/4 cup of ricotta, salt and pepper, and as much baby spinach as you would like. Let's be real here, when I'm by myself, half the time I'm just eyeing how much of each ingredient I put in. Starting in a bowl, crack both eggs and whisk until combined. Then, put in a sprinkle of salt and as much pepper as you would like. Take out your spinach and put in a nice handful. Give all that spinach, as best as you can, a nice mix in there. And then take out a pan. Let's just pretend it's on the stovetop right now. Okay. Put it on medium heat to warm it up while drizzling a bit of olive oil for a light coat so that the egg mixture doesn't stick. After, pour all that egg and spinach into the pan and let cook while gently mixing it around every so often. Okay, So this is how mine looks once it is done cooking. I'm now going to move this over into another bowl. From here, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup ricotta. Mix well. And there you have it. Saving the best for last, the 5th recipe is a classic chocolate banana smoothie. I could not tell you how many times I made this recipe. It is foolproof and a staple in my mental cookbook. The magic ingredients you will need are 1 banana, preferably frozen, a tablespoon of cacao or cocoa powder, a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, I'm using maple syrup, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1 cup of milk of your choice. I use oat milk. Now, the steps are so simple. Grab your blender and put in the banana chunks, the oat milk, then the rest of your ingredients. But wait, you may be wondering why I specifically decided to put in the oat milk first. I'll let you in on a little secret. By putting in the liquid and the banana first, it prevents all the other stickier ingredients from sticking to the bottom of the blender, especially for blenders like mine where I flip it upside down to blend. And that's my delicious chocolate smoothie. Thanks for making it to the end of this video. In the description are ingredients for these meals, so go check that out. And if you enjoy food, lifestyle, and vlog content, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Bye!